They believed the sky would be full of personal flying machines everywhere. Instead, we made them smarter. They imagined boarding flying machines like this, elegant, handcrafted, almost theatrical. And this is what we actually built.
I'm asking people something very interesting. What do you think life will be like in the year 2000?
They imagined robots like this, physical, heavy, almost human in form. We actually built them, just simpler than they imagined. Even cleaning. They imagined machines doing everything in a very visible, almost dramatic way. Now it just happens, quietly. They imagined automated transport, but still mechanical, still visible, still controlled. Now the intelligence is invisible, but it's everywhere. They believed transportation would evolve, but still follow the same logic: larger, faster, more mechanical. And in many ways, it did. Can I ask you something? How do you think technology will change the world in the future?
Everything will become faster. Machines will replace much of what we do.
They imagined communication as something physical. Cables, machines, movement. We made it weightless. In their vision, humans were always in control of the machines. Now, the machines are starting to think for us. Everyone I've spoken to imagines a future filled with machines, speed, and transformation. And somehow, they might not be entirely wrong. They imagined underwater travel like this, massive machines exploring the depths. We did go underwater, just not the way they pictured it. What do you imagine education will be like in the year 2000?
I believe knowledge will be transmitted much faster, perhaps through machines. Excuse me. I've been noticing how much dust there is in the streets. Do you think this will change in the future?
Oh, yes. I believe in the future
Excuse me, can you tell me what your work is like?
It is demanding. We collect, organize, and deliver letters every day.
And how do you think this will change in the future?
Hi, I'm curious. How does delivery work for you every day?
We walk from house to house, carrying everything ourselves. Letters, messages.
How is surgery performed in your time?
Precision and steady hands.
And in the future?
Safer, more precise.
Do you think transportation will improve in the future?
It must.
It must. This is slow, dirty. Perhaps one day we will depend on animals. How do you think lighting will change in the future?
Perhaps one day, light will be everywhere, without fire, always on.
Everywhere, just like he said.
Do you think cities will become cleaner in the future?
I hope so. Less dirt, less smell, more order. But it will take time. It did take time. Do you think medicine will improve in the future?
Yes. Fewer diseases, longer lives. We are only at the beginning.
Just the beginning. How do you think people will dress in the future? Perhaps simpler, more practical, less restrictive. She saw comfort coming. Do you think cities will become too crowded?
Yes. Far more people than this. It will be overwhelming.
He understood scale. Do you think children will live differently in the future?
They may study more, work less, have better opportunities.
That changed everything. Do you think people will talk across long distances easily?
Perhaps instantly, without delay.
He almost described it. think people will fly freely in the future?
I believe everyone will have wings. Yes.
I believe everyone will have wings. Do you think books will always exist like this?
Of course, knowledge must be preserved in pages.
The pages changed, but the knowledge didn't disappear.
Do you think money will change in the future?
No, coins and paper, that is how trade works. It will never change. It changed more than he thought. Do you think children in the future will play differently?
Maybe better toys, but still outside, always outside.
That part changed completely. Do you think communication will ever be instant?
Impossible. Messages take time. That will never change.
That changed the most. Do you think travel will become easier?
Faster, perhaps, but never simple. Travel is always difficult.
Easier, but still not simple.